Hello, and welcome to the second part of the walkthrough. This part of the walkthrough, we will discuss retaining walls. When walls are needed, as noted on the survey, and on most homes with over 1 foot of exposure and back, we will show them on the plan. Being as the survey is developed, pre-dig the exact location and orientation of these walls are not always accurate when we come to site. We will not be developing an as-built plan when we're done, but they are marked here to give an idea of how many walls are needed and the approximate location. These boulder walls are also called gravity walls, being as it is the weight of the stone that provides a structural stability aspect. As we build these, there will be a slight taper from the bottom to the top, meaning the lowest boulder will stick out a little further than the ones above, pushing the weight of the stone back into the slope it is retaining. And as we build these walls, we add fabric behind the wall to separate the soil behind the wall from the stone so it does not erode through the wall. We do use some stone in building the wall itself to settle the boulders in place as we stack them. You may see some of this wash through the wall. This is not the soil from behind that is protected by fabric. It is only the soil we use to set the boulders. Some of this washout is to be expected. This is water finding its new natural pathway through the wall and to relieve the hydraulic pressure behind the wall. This is part of that structural stability and function of a gravity wall. Hawks will not be coming out to clean up little piles of soil that wash through. We will also not be adding soil back into those pockets. This is an aesthetic thing and does not affect the structural stability of the wall. When we build these, we try to get the top of the wall anywhere from 4 to 10 inches below siding as the finishing height. Over this next year, these walls may settle into the ground a little bit. This is also to be expected and should not affect the structural stability of the wall. We will not be coming out to add boulders to the top of the wall. Again, that is an aesthetic thing and not a structural one. Our only warranty on the retaining walls is the structural stability for 1 year. They will be inspected after the first winter. Most of the movement of a wall will occur in that first freeze-thaw cycle.